right, hey guys, I'm here at the criminal courthouse. It's always some drama back here. We've got a couple of people yelling about what's going on with them today, trying to get them a little bit of privacy because it's kind of stressful out here. But I'm sorry I did not show up yesterday. We left a little late. I was exhausted. And I also had a Pilates appointment. It was $38 if I canceled. Couldn't do that, but I did miss you guys. But anyway, I just want to recap what happened yesterday. We had day 4 of testimony, and Relly was being cross-examined by Takapina. And I think that it was interesting. I think that Takapina definitely found his trigger point. His trigger point is talking about lifestyle. It's talking about his cash flow, and it's talking about how he presents himself to others to live a lavish lifestyle. I think he came across as combative, and I think he came across as very defensive and volunteering information. One thing my dad always told me is do not volunteer information. And I think Takapina definitely took advantage of his frustration, of Broly's frustration yesterday. So, for example, he'd ask him a question and he'd give a pregnant pause. And you guys know, like, a pregnant pause is when you're just quiet. And a lot of people are uncomfortable with silence. I suggest to you today, enjoy that silence, sit in it, live in it, and be silent or just listen to it. Accept. All right. My Wi-Fi just went haywire. Anyway, he'd want to further explain something, but I think he needs to just sit in that and stop volunteering information. His temper flared a little bit, and I think that that's something that the jurors definitely saw. We might see Rocky and Rihanna come up in a few minutes. Court is about to start in a second, and this is where they typically come in. Let me show you guys what I see. Here. So anyway, so let's see some other things that I saw. We were talking about lifestyle. Takapina was talking about his lifestyle, which I said already is a trigger point. We talked about prostitution. There was a question about prostitution. The judge advised the lawyers that they cannot talk about drugs because he won't be answering any questions about drugs. Pastiche. Pastiche. I love that. Okay. So I don't know if Rihanna is attending today, but I did overhear from someone who overheard that Rihanna is going to attend today. She had been coming in, I think, through, at every courthouse, there's like a place where the judges enter, where they park and where they enter privately. So I do believe that's where she entered. I don't think she could do that anymore. So, but I don't know if she's going to be here today, but, maybe. Um, let's see, a couple of things. So where are we going with the defense? Oh, excuse me. I don't know. I'm like, yesterday with the defense, I didn't know where they were going. I was thinking, is this some type of justification defense or some self-defense argument? Is Chewbacca a Wookiee? Because I was just very confused. But I think the defense, again, they had some legs, then the legs got shorter, and I think the legs are getting a little bit longer again. So we'll see. We'll have to see how Relly performs on the stand today. If he's a little bit more composed, if he stops volunteering information, we'll see. But it was very heated because I think Takapina's style is very aggressive, and I think that can be challenging because, well, anybody who's on the stand, they feel like they're being challenged, like their truth is being challenged, and they want to fight back. But you gotta be calm, or it's not going to come across to your jurors or the audience well. So we'll see where that goes. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye, Pastiche. I love that name. All right, peace. Mwah.